Accidents can happen at any time. Whether the damage is big or small, it doesn't need to be a time-consuming inconvenience to car owners anymore. RM is always one step ahead in the collision repair industry, leveraging the latest sustainable and digital innovations and solutions to deliver efficiency and profitability to our valued customers, partners, and stakeholders. Join us in this dynamic journey and share in our vision today and the future. Using real-time services on their mobile device, car owners can connect to a range of after-sales service providers. Photo-based damage assessment and digital vehicle details will help them identify and locate the right certified service provider for their needs. They can even arrange for a rental car depending on the time required for repairs. Thanks to the next generation of repair services and solutions, RM Premium Automotive Refinish Solutions. Paint technicians will be notified that the car is on its way, and they can visualize the extent of the damage even before it arrives at their station. Sensors will provide real-time reporting in the shop, tracking a car's every move throughout the repair process. The car owner is messaged at every step along the way. The state-of-the-art body shop repair system will seamlessly import the latest OEM repair documentation into Refinity and identifies the approved products and repair procedures. This includes the RM Pioneer Series, the most sustainable and eco-effective coatings ever, and the most efficient application techniques, delivering the safest, most efficient, and sustainable repair. A digital color spectrophotometer indicates the color code and mixing ratio for an accurate paint match. The color mixing machine supplies the correct amount of paint for a consistent and flawless coating. The automated system will display all the information the painter needs, from the current weather and spray booth conditions to product tips and recommendations. Real-time support from RM experts ensures the brilliant quality of every job. Depending on the repair, state-of-the-art UV curing technology provides perfect and long-lasting results while reducing energy costs and the shop's carbon footprint. The robotic application repair system will ensure a seamless coating, optimizing the process time and material consumption, even when bumpers are painted separately. When the car exits the spray booth, Refinity ensures the products and applications are approved for the OEM paint repair standards, ensuring the calibration and that the car is restored to pre-accident condition. Once the work is certified complete, the car owner receives a comprehensive report from the service provider. The system will also supply a profitability and performance report to the shop, ensuring that the job has been done to the highest OEM repair standards. At RM, we are committed to driving to a sustainable future to ensure our customers are always in the forefront of the refinish coatings industry.